Well, we've all heard the saying where there's smoke, there's fire, and on air conditioning, we say where there's oil, there's a leak. And she's bubbling up real nice. Looks like it wasn't even welded. Oil everywhere, all the way down to the manifolds. Just big, slimy fucking mess. Oh well, this thing's getting moved, so that leak's gonna be fixed. Anyways, well. And see, that coupling was never even welded. As soon as I touched it with the rag to wipe away the oil, that thing just popped off right in my face. Isn't that lovely? Okay, a prominent suburb in Los Angeles, and pretty standard disconnect. Line voltage on top, load connects on the bottom of the switch, and let's see, the voltage, breaker's on, so I take one to another, and our breaker's on when they're reading voltage, because voltage being sent to this disconnect on the load side. Okay? Never trust an electrician. Ever.